Hello everyone, my name is Madison Hand, and I am going to show you some of the stuff I have learned on Excel. I am extremely new to Excel. I didn't even know it was on my computer until the last week while I started looking up different things about it. So this is going to be pretty basic, but I'm going to try and make a budget and use a lot of the new tricks and tools that I learned. Alright, so up here we're going to put the title. We'll call it Budget 2018. And then down here, I'm going to put the month, January. And this is a cool trick I learned. You're just going to pull this over. We'll just go through August. And that will automatically put the different months in. I thought that was pretty neat. So then over here we're going to put some of the basic things I buy. We'll say groceries, electric, water. Let's see, what else do I buy in a month? And then we'll call this one just going out. This is the entertainment, fun, exciting one. Okay, so say January I spent $150 on groceries. Then we're just going to fill in the rest of these boxes with just some guesses. I know it's around the same every month, but some months are a little tighter than others. Alright, once I get all these numbers in here, we'll go to electric. Electric is definitely going to be more in the winter, so we'll say $250. I've got a huge house. $275, and then March it goes down. $150, $120, $130. Alright, and then water is going to be the exact same every month. It's $200 and then divided by 2, so $100 a month, and then I can just drag that bad boy over. So it shows each month is 100. Now going out's going to be the different part. Let's say January, I just went into the bar a couple times that month, so I spent maybe $50. February I went to a couple festivals. That month it was $300. March, nothing really went on. So each month here is going to be different, depending on what's happening, what I've been up to, that sort of thing. Alright, then here is going to be our totals. Going to hit this auto sum button. I learned this cool thing. And then you can pull that over. So that shows how much your spending can differ from month to month. And say I'm making the same amount, I'm only making $1,000 a month, just a guesstimate. So I'm going to have a lot extra money some months and not very much extra money some months. Let's see, another cool thing I learned was that you can put an outline on the top border. That way it separates your totals from everything else. And this one we can put an outline on the bottom border. These we can put it on the side. Just to make it look like a better table. So then, if we're wanting to get fancy, we can make that different colors so that the title stands out, or we can make it bold to make the chart look nice and pretty. I know it's kind of basic stuff, but coming from not knowing anything about Excel to learning how to use these different tools and make a little budget sheet, add things up, I kind of learned a lot having to do this week, so I'm pretty proud of myself, and maybe I'll make a real budget so I can quit spending all my money. Thanks. Have a great day.